Honk honk. Good afternoon. And honk to you too. And a good afternoon, birbulators in general. Oh, who've we got? Hello. Oh, Bugsy. Oh, we got flapulations. The collective turkey meisters. We got munchulations from the birbulators. And we're all going nuts. Oh, hello you two. Hello. Or you one. You two twos. Hey. 2 2 1 2 3 4. How you doing, Honk Birb? Oh, the camera's glitching. I might have to reset it. Faxy Birb. How are you, Faxy Birbs? Eh? Fax Birb. I hear you. You're right in front of me. Maxulation, faxulation. Yes, Faxy. Oh yeah, you too. Come on. Bugsy Birb, baby. Thank you, Bugsy. Faxy. Faxy Fax. Saying thanks, Fax. Yeah. Hey, you been a good Fax Birb? Or wrap around Bugsy Birb. Hey Honk. Hey Honky. Hey Honky. Thank you. It gave me a nibble. Hey, hey? Nibulator. Honk honk. Toot toot. Birb. Oh, banana. Oh, you lost your nana. Oh, and you lost yourself. Thanks, baby. I love the way you always say thank you. Hey? Hey, what's that? Yeah, you're giving a big shovel off for us. Shovel off for us, right? Look what we got. Look what. Hey, hey, Bugsy. Come on, Bugsy. What are you doing, Bugs? Oh, yes, Bugsy. Hey, Bugsy. Hey, Bugsy. Hey. Hey, Bugsy. Come on. Thank you. And Fluffy, Fluffy, Bugsy, and Honk Honk, and Honk Honk Birbs. Bugsy, Fluffy, Fluffy. Come on, Fluff. Come on, Fluffy. Come on, big Fluff. Oh.